Speaking of cool, check out this new spaceship, Virgin Galactic. They unveiled the SpaceShip 3. How cool does that thing look?
Cool. And it looks better with chrome.
Oh, my goodness.
For some reason.
Oh, my goodness. So shiny, so futuristic.
Yeah.
Their new space plane dubbed VSS Imagine. The first SpaceShip 3 addition to the company's growing fleet of suborbital vehicles. So this is like the kind of just dip up into space and then come back. Space tourism stuff. This shiny chrome-colored ship is designed for quicker reuse than SpaceShip 2, which is the current centerpiece of the company's effort to kickstart its space tourism business in 2022. The future of their fleet. They put out a video as well. It kind of looks like a chrome fighter jet, but then at the same time, it just looks like a vehicle out of Star Wars, which is amazing.
Yeah.
You can actually see sort of what the interior is going to look like if you go back to the original article there. There's a link to the interior cabin, although it might look a little bit different than the link you're about to click. Right there, interior cabin. This is where you would be sitting if you went on one of these suborbital trips. What a futuristic voyage. I don't know what you're going to pay to go up there, but it's going to start pretty soon. They're debuting customer flights at the beginning of 2022.
Would you go?
Yeah, I'm there.
Yeah.
That's cool. No?
Yeah.
Suborbital? Not a huge commitment.
Great name.
We just go up, we come back. You start to see the curvature of the earth. You know, you're up there.
Yeah.
That'll be cool.
On this thing?
Something tells me it's going to be expensive for a while. I'm sure the information's out there. It's going to be expensive for a while.
Yeah.